Okay, now I will see how the program be written for duration operation. When you're going into that. So for that, I'm giving the screen for one stroke, setting function, one setting, save program, setting, save program is setting one. Okay, that is already so on and to log off. The other implement, the another link to run, the replacement operation on Heap. Okay. So already in previous lectures I have discussed that this was the function that is for void replacement. But before replacement I want to print the array, and after replacement also I want to print the for me. Okay. So for that just those replace but not hit. Not replace but hit not constructed. So here printing array would replace node but new node but not replacing node but not with the course look replacing node initially. Initially, I will see to the arrays. So we are on print arrays function building font. So that array will be printed. Now after the down operation, I will print the keys. I will print the keys after the adjustment. Printing here after not replacing not. Okay. Now it is I'm going to set it. Now next question was we have not implemented this move down function, which is responsible for downward movements of the new node, which was just the previous with those short. So that if the new node is less than of the stride, so it will go to next level and the stride went from to its position. So if the so it will do that as. So I have to run the code for void move down function, void move down, and here I'm using the index current position of the node, current position which will be for downward movement. So I am defining the function body now. So initially the initial so there will be two can run for each and there will be my function children for parent node. So in my if parent is not as if parent so I'm to child one and child two. So and also another variable I mean to which will tell you which one to the swap if this value is greater. If this child one has greater value, then it's relevant. So parent initially the parent is the root node of the next child. So if now child one, the index of the child one to be computed. Child one yellow is equals to 2 twice of parent. Twice of parent. And the child two value of the child two would be child one plus 1. Child one plus 1. So now we can check if child one on child two this one is greater. So next year the value will be plus. So very first is to check if size whether it was November. Maybe suppose if there was only one element cut the roof nodes, then that cannot go downward because it was only element. But so I have to check whether the index of child 1 and child 2 falls within the array size. That's I have to check it. So how to check that? Making child 1 is less equals to array size minus 1. So what is the current directive that I have to compute it before? So I will try to find out the current RSI. So for that can be stored in the variable current RSI, or it is the index of the last node. So that is last index. Okay. Now how to find out the value of last index of the last element, which is in the array. So for that I will use a for loop, and we use a for loop and will check the every position on the array whether it contains any null character or not. So to check it, I use a for loop I equals to 0 when I is done array size, then I plus false. But before using I have to declare it as a variable being done. See, now it will check that if suppose it will start checking from the first location, I mean index 1 location, and it will check after RSS. So when the first non-character is encountered, that means the current RSS will be 1 less than that. Because after that, the other element in that array will also contain null character. So here I am saying if array I equals to is non-character, in array I equals to non-character. So what will do the last index? The last index will be equals to, and that will be I minus 1. Because her in current 1 or 5 there is null characters. So the last index to the last element is there, that is I minus 1. Otherwise, if I is not equals to a null character, then again it will check for the next location on the array whether it contains null character or not. So the maximum value of I in this for loop generally only that is such minus 1. If it is found, now the overcause minus 1 is not equals to null character. Is not equals to null character. That means that array that is if I equals to array size minus 1 and see it is not equals to a null character, that means the array is full. So in this case, the array is full, and so in that case, last index for me, array is minus 1. So how to find out? First is if array size is equals to null character, this. Okay, then fulfill the last index I minus 1. Now, if I equals to is minus 1, and here also after getting the last index, I will sum out from the for loops using the statement. So, if the array is not 4, then there will have some value at the last index, which will be I minus 1. If I equals to array size minus 1, which does not contain a null character, then after coming out from the for loop, the value of the I will be array size minus 1. So I have to choose if I equals to, if I equals to array size, that means the feature variables totally filled. So in that case, the last index will be array size minus 1. Array size minus last index will be array size minus 1. So after this, I will save it. Then I will go for next part.
Stop.